Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Just a few minutes ago, I made a video on how to create this. So this is part two. And while I was loading, I thought that'll make a pretty good uh, pattern. But then as I'm just starting to think about this, if we take the Smart Fill tool and use that same color on that inside, then we could get the interactive fill tool and swipe across it, go up to elliptical. Let's zoom in here. And let's make it larger. Maybe not quite that large. And then let's put, let's put orange on the center and take a black on the outside. Too much. That looks pretty cool. So group that together, Control G. And this is a really easy step to do. Control D to make a duplicate and take that node right there and just sync it right there. Now I could just keep going downhill, but it's going to go this way. So I can Control G to group, Control D to duplicate, and grab it right here on this I must not have grouped it. Control G, Control D. Grab that inside node and place it right there. And if you have Snap 2 on, it should work. But, well, normally Control D doesn't work if you miss it on the first try. Then I would Control G, Control D. Well, I was just trying to move it over. Just get this node on this part. Let's see, we need to actually sync it in right there. Now it won't Control D again because I moved it, but just go here. And if you get it on the first try, then you just go Control D. Well, there it goes. There's so much going on, it didn't really work. So I don't know which one looks better, if that looks better or the one with just the black. Anyway, pretty easy to draw. Hope that helped, gave you some ideas, and thank you for watching.